Hi, my name is Joann Frasier Dasent, and I'm also known as Auntie JoJo the Storyteller. Today I am going to be reading Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. The art is by James Dean, and the story is by Eric Litwin. Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. And I must say that this book was introduced to me by my great-nephew, Kimoy Jr. Enjoy! Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much that he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. After all, everything was cool. I love my red shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? That's right, blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? That's right, brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. All the brown, all the blue, all the red were washed away. What color was his shoes again? That's right. It turned back to white. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. That's right. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my red shoes. Yep, I love my red shoes. I hope you enjoyed that story. Bye-bye.